Lego Batman. Here we go. This is the top of his cowl. It's a little pointy like, right about there like that. Here's his first bat bit right on up there like that on his cowl. And then a big straight on line down just like that. That's looking nice, everybody. Now what we can do is draw another line up here like that. Just coming down like that. And then straight on down like that again. Just like that. This is looking good, everybody. We're looking good. Now we can draw the inside right about there like that. That looks nice. And then over here we'll bring this on down like that. And right here like this. Here are his eyebrows right about there. Down like that. Over here like this. And then back down like that. This is looking nice, everybody. Here we go. Here's the bottom of his eyes right about there. Then like this, like that. And over here like that. And then inside we can go like this. Just like that. This is looking nice. Lego Batman. Now the mouthpiece will be here, just like this. And that. Then back up, it's just a bit of a rectangle. There'll be his nose bit right there. Back over like that. And we could draw his nose like that. Looking nice. Let's give him a mouth. And a bit of a chin area. Just like that. Oh, I like that, everybody. We're looking good. Okay, now we can get to his body. We're gonna pose him so he's looking a little bit over here. Positioned away from us. So his body goes down like this. Come across like this. And down like that. It's all hard lines with the Lego characters. Just like that. And now we can draw the bat. The bat's not so straight, but here we go. Just like this. Down like that. Give it a bat wing like this. Little squirrely screws like this. Just like that. And up. And then back round. It's the bat. All right. This is looking nice. And we can draw his utility belt on here as well. Just like this. Give it a bunch of pockets. Looking good. There we go. Oh, a bunch of lines like that. With pockets. There we go. Looking nice, everybody. Now we're going to draw his mid bit here, just like that. Bring it around like that. Back on up. And across. And bring it down like that. Lego Batman's legs are kind of funny. This is where his knee would be. And there we go, just like that for the bottom of his leg. And then this bit here will come like this. And then a little bit like that. All right. And now we can draw the back of the first leg here. Like this. And here will be the heel. Straight across for the foot. Right on up like that. And connect like that. This is looking nice, everybody. And we can draw the top of his other leg here like this. Just like that. And on up like that. And then the toe. Oh, I like this. This is looking good. We can draw this toe here right there. Cross like that. Over. Just another rectangle. Then this leg can start to go up, but we're going to stop there because we haven't drawn his cape yet. So let's draw the cape. We'll bring the cape on down from the top of his cowl here like this. Have it go in like that. go. Batman's pointy bottom of his cape. Bring it on up like this. And across. Very nice, everybody. This is looking really good. Now we can draw the bottom of his cowl here, just like that. Join it up there. And give him a bit of a neck here, just like that. We can draw the other side of his cape here, down like this. All the way down. And pointy bits like that. This is looking nice. Now what we've got to do is his arms. So his arms are kind of behind his cape, but we're going to make it look as if they're right about here, underneath the cape, and a little bit of showing of a hand here like that. That's looking good. And we'll do the same over here. A little bit of a hand over here, just like that. There we go, everybody. We're looking good. Give this a line right here, maybe a line there like that. And we've got Lego Batman. This is looking nice. Let's get to the color. Dark blue cape and cowl. Gray suit. Light skin. Yellow belt. Black bat, hands and shorts. Thanks, everyone.